Okay, so here we are. We're live, and this is a group of kiddos who are working on coding for a cause. This is our PBL with the Ronald McDonald House, and this phase is phase 3, which we call coding for a cause. So here we are, and let me just come in close and see if somebody wants to share what is this? What is it that you're doing?
We're coding with Khan Academy to make images for the Ronald McDonald House.
Okay, what are those images going to end up being?
We're making the ocean right now.
Okay. So what you're making the ocean for what? What purpose?
We're gonna have like a scene in the background, so all the kids have to do is they have to press a button and like that scene will play in the background so they can just play around with whatever they want.
Okay, so you're creating a scene that's an ocean scene, and as the kids at the Ronald McDonald House are playing, this ocean scene is going to come in.
A program within Khan Academy, so it's kind of hard to get the code to other people.
Okay, so you've run up against the problem. What are you doing? How are you dealing with it?
We're kind of just trying to look off each other's screens right now.
Just to see like what other people are doing and what we don't want to do. Like a lot of people wanted to do bubbles, like how fish do the bubbles, but someone else is already doing it. Someone else is already doing the seaweed. I'm doing the ground with the fish, and then I don't know what they're doing, but like we're not trying to do the same thing as someone else.
Okay, so different people are coding different sections of what's going to be the underwater background is what I'm hearing.
Yep.
But I'm curious about the problem that you just came up with. You're thinking, how do I get it off of this Khan Academy screen? And so what are you going to do about that? What are you thinking?
I guess we could probably just copy the code and then go to our Gmail and then send it to everybody. And say,
or maybe
here's a really cool fish,
or we could we can name it something like secret or something like Leap Coding Project, and then we could go to the coding, like the other people's programs, and we could try to find it, and then other people could try to make the spin-off, and then we could look at what someone did. Like we could look at the spin-off. A spin-off is like some other program that was made from a different one. Like spin-offs would be like if I made a fish. And then someone made a spin-off of it, they can make it a rainbow fish if I made it a blue one.
Okay.
And they can make it different. So if Ty makes a spin-off of Brecken's, then we can see what he did to that to just actually code instead of making a whole new program. He could base it off of his.
So I'm hearing you say what you're working on is the separate sections that are going to be the underwater backdrop for something you're putting together for the Ronald McDonald House, but right now you're trying to figure out how to do spin-offs so you can share them, getting them off of the Khan Academy screen and sharing them so people can continue working and building from that.
That is correct.
So you're problem solving. All right, well, good luck. And do you have a specific place where you're thinking you might go to help you find the answer to that, to solve that problem?
Google.
I'm just
Okay.
I'm just looking right now in my Gmail because I remember one of my friends did this. She sent one to me, and I'm trying to see if I can find it.
All right, good.
How she did it. I can just, I don't know.
Okay, well, good luck, everybody, and we'll be checking back in later to see how you're doing with the problem-based learning. And we see this as problem-based learning, project-based learning, but for us, it's passion-driven learning as we're hoping to do this for Ronald McDonald House. Uh-oh, another problem, huh? All right, checking back in later. Thanks, everybody. This is Mrs. Waltz, and this was our group, and PBLs, and project-based, problem-based, but for us, it's passion-driven learning, and hopefully going to make a positive difference around. Signing out.